A giant tree appears in the sky. Then, moments later, it's raining fire. This magical display was created by more than 15,000 drones. Performances like this take months of preparation. The drones must be properly laid out ahead of takeoff. Each drone has a colored light attached to it. They rise to the sky in unison before creating impressive designs. It's a world record-setting performance, the most drones ever in such a show, topping the previous record of 12,000 drones in Shaojing in June.
Seeing this view at night is incredible. What drones can do is amazing.
In Shanghai, drone displays like this have a lot of fans.
The sky looks like a giant stage. We can see visual effects that we could never imagine.
But sometimes things can go wrong, like at this display, where drones began falling from the sky.
Oh no, everything's about to fall. Please turn off your equipment or all of our drones will be destroyed.
These drones were supposed to be imitating a firework when they suddenly started dropping onto a crowd of spectators. No one was hurt, but the incident highlights the potential risks of such displays.